My boyfriend sold his guitar to help me, but I discovered something that broke me. Some time ago, I was going through a tough financial situation. My dad had lost his job, and although I did everything I could to help at home, the money just wasn't enough. I was desperate because I needed to pay for an important course to avoid losing my university scholarship. One afternoon, my boyfriend Andres came over with a smile and handed me an envelope with the exact amount of money for the course. I was speechless. When I asked him how he managed to get it, he told me he had sold his guitar, the instrument he loved so much and had dreamed of using to form a band one day. I felt a mix of gratitude and guilt. I promised him that one day I would return the favor, and everything seemed perfect, until a mutual friend told me something shocking. Andres didn't sell the guitar. He had given it to his ex, supposedly for the last time, because she needed it more than I did. I confronted him, filled with anger and confusion. He tried to justify it by saying he wanted to help both of us, but how can I trust someone who thinks love is measured by dividing themselves between two people?